Today kicks off National Fire Prevention Week, and as the temperatures go down in the coming months, the Red Cross says the number of fires goes up.
CBS 4's Mike Sullivan details what you need to know to keep your home safe.
Out of roughly 60,000 disasters, the Red Cross answers a year.
The Red Cross responds to home fires every 8 minutes nationally.
The majority of their time lending itself to families who may have lost everything.
Typically in a home fire, you have about 2 minutes to get out of your home safely.
Yet, all too often, smoke detectors remain silent, out of sight, out of batteries.
I think, for a lot of people, it's not something that they think about every day.
Bryce Johnson is the executive director of the Central Indiana region, the American Red Cross.
People that don't have a smoke detector, if they want to get a smoke detector, we don't charge for those things.
To date, Johnson and his teams have installed 220 smoke detectors in our area this year.
Whenever you see more people being inside, whether that's from COVID or whether that's from moving inside because of the weather, you're going to see an uptick in home fires.
Making it so important to not only have an escape plan, but a proper alert to danger. In Indianapolis, I'm Mike Sullivan, CBS 4 News.